Hello. The ability to speak well in English is an important one. What is just as important for you will be your ability to listen to what is being said so that you can respond correctly. But how can we prepare ourselves so that we are more able to understand the main points of a short explanation? Well, firstly, you need to make sure you train your ears. Make sure you practice listening to others speak. Using subtitles on your television or the videos you watch, we're able to understand what is being said. And the more often you do that, the better it will be. Learn key words as well. So there are words that we associate with key topics. So if you remind yourselves of the key words, you are better able to listen for them. And again, go back to watching or listening to conversations revolving around those topics to help you to learn those. Listen for other key words such as who, what, when, where, why, and how, as they will often signify the start of a new topic or question. When another person is explaining, they will also often break this information down using words or phrases such as when, after, next, once, another, etc. So ensure you are able to listen for and to these pieces of information for each one, which will give you obviously that new identification of a point. Other words you might associate with explanations will be connectives such as firstly, secondly, finally, also, then, etc., because it signifies a movement in that explanation. So remember, explanation is all about making something clear. But finally, the best way is always to become more and more familiar and confident with this skill is to practice. So the harder you work on this, the better you will be. So it's no surprise if you want to learn an instrument, we all know we have to practice. And learning to use the instrument, which is your voice, is another one of those that require practice. So thank you and keep revising.